Yeah, hello friends. This is my studio in Kolkata, and I'm having my solo exhibition over here. Basically, the concept is basically I'm using my own space to exhibit my work. So I hope it works. आर्ट गैलरी आर्ट कीपर के नाम से हम कर रहे हैं इसको, गैलरी आर्ट कीपर उसके बिहाफ में कर रहे हैं. सो आई होप इट वर्क्स and I'm having my first solo exhibition in my own space. Yeah. Hello friends. आज डेट मैं बताता हूँ, डेट देखना पड़ेगा. 25th है and 25th of February I am doing this solo exhibition. This is my own space. This is my in the background what you can see over here is my own space. आप देख सकते हैं. I'll just show you around. Dump all things over there. So Shwen Bhumik is showing his own space, and I have converted my space for a gallery. For all artists, जितने भी आर्टिस्ट हैं सबके लिए हैं. मैं अपने लिए तो हो गई, for myself obviously. और बाकी जितने भी आर्टिस्ट हैं सबके लिए हैं. आई एम बेस्ड इन कोलकाता राइट नाउ. सो एनीबडी कैन हैव देयर एग्जिबिशन ओवर हियर एटलीस्ट फॉर 3 days. At least for 3 days. Initially it's for free. When I might charge, but whatever, free. I'd like to have the exhibition of Shubhendu Sarkar, Shantanu Da, Shivaji Da, देवाशीष मानना. ठीक है, ऐसे लोगों को मैं चाहूँगा कि एग्जिबिशंस हो यहाँ पे. एंड या दिस इज स्पेस आई हैव. आई एम स्टैंडिंग विद अ डिस्प्ले ओवर हियर. सो यू हैव द एंटायर वॉल फ्रॉम दिस साइड टू दैट साइड. सो यहाँ पे पूरा डिस्प्ले होगा, सब कुछ होगा. एंड वन कैन हैव द आर्टवर्क्स ओवर हियर. Not canvases, not frameworks, mainly paper if possible, because paper को hang करना, paper को रखना, display करना बहुत easy हो जाता है. So I'll show you those things. Surviving in Kolkata is difficult. Yeah, it's absolutely difficult. And अभी मैं इसको YouTube में ला रहा हूँ officially. So that one can see all the things. Physically, I'm not well. I'm going through a lot of other hassles. Emotionally, physically, a lot of things are going on. And yeah, फिर भी काम चल रहा है, काम चलेगा. I'm working from Kolkata. I love to work from any place in India, whether it's Delhi, it's Pune, Goa, Kerala, anywhere. I like to move around. I don't want to stick to any particular place. So that's my funda. Baki, I will show you the works. And in the art world, if you have to chase the galleries and all that, the galleries at one point of time the galleries try to dominate things. वो dominate करते हैं. वो नहीं चाहते हैं कि इस तरह के काम, इस तरह के works you should be able to display or show to the public. So in a way they try to dominate things. Psychologically आप ऐसा हो जाते हैं कि you are burdened with their own ideology by the galleries, art galleries, and they try to manipulate, they try to guide you. जब आप galleries से guidance लेते हैं, that means you are a slave. You are a slave. You are a bloody slave. Nothing else. So instead of doing that, you have to find your own avenues. You have to find your own space. You have to look for things where you can do your own stuff. It's tough. देखते हैं आज के दुनिया में क्या होता है, क्योंकि इकोनॉमिकली थिंग्स आर गोइंग डाउन बैडली. इंडिया में भी द रूपी इज गोइंग डाउन डॉलर के हिसाब से. economically we are going down and all that, but still I believe that हमें करना पड़ेगा. But we have to try our own things. Sorry, we have to try our own things. We can't rely on others. आप किसी और पे डिपेंड नहीं कर पाएंगे. So let me show you the works. Now, as you can see, this is the studio. I have got a small cozy space, and these are the works over here. Conti is Conti pencil on paper. Everything is for sale. आप कुछ भी खरीद सकते हैं. Everything is for sale. One has to just give me a screenshot of the works you want, and I will let you know the price. Price I'm not revealing, but price is very, very welcoming. Very welcoming. You can afford all the art drawings and artworks over here. So it's very affordable. You just have to let me know which one you want. These are all on paper, ink on paper, Conti on paper, and you have to let me know which one you want. आप मुझे बताइए आपको कौन सा चाहिए. मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश में बोलूँगा, जबकि मैं कलकत्ता में हूँ. तो আপনি বলবেন আপনার কোনটা চাই, কোনটা ভালো লাগছে, আপনার মনে কোনটা ধরছে, আপনি কোনটা কিনতে চাইছেন. Let me know. अपनी स्क्रीनशॉट पाठिए दिन আমাকে. Someone just like this one, and this one also. I don't know. तो अभी तक उन्होंने पेमेंट नहीं किया है. पेमेंट करेंगे तो they have just done the booking and all that. See, you can't create things just like that overnight. इनको बनाने में काफ़ी वक्त लगा मुझे. सन्नाटे में, in isolation, I've done it. A lot of pain and a lot of things were there. Well, this one is a triptych. 1, 2, 3. So you have to buy all three. At one point of time you have to buy all the three works क्योंकि ये triptych है. It's not something individual. So I'm showing things in details. जो मैंने फेसबुक पे पोस्ट किया है वो थोड़ा सा आप कह सकते हैं कि स्मॉल लाइक ए काइंड ऑफ ए ट्रेलर. ये कंप्लीट मूवी है. दैट वाज अ ट्रेलर एंड दिस इज द कंप्लीट मूवी ओवर देयर. सो यू कैन सी द थिंग्स व्हिच आई एम एक्चुअली हैविंग फॉर यू. This is again a diptych. You have to take two works right away. This size is A3 size. This is again A3. This is all A5. So I'm showing you things in details. Basically, पहले जो मैंने दिखाया था Facebook में, it was more like a trailer, but this is more like a complete movie, where you can see things in details. आप देख सकते हैं. You can visit my place. It's nearby to a metro station in Kolkata, and you can come over and you can actually buy things. Or if you are staying outside, staying out of Kolkata, you can let me know. I can courier the things over there. तो मैं उसको आपको कोरियर कर दूंगा, बट यू हैव टू पे मी ऑन माय गूगल पे. दैट्स द थिंग, इट्स वेरी simple, it's nothing complicated. So one can have my artworks anytime, and I invite all artists based in Kolkata, whether in Delhi or not, they can have one solo exhibition in my space, done by Gallery Artkeeper. Gallery Artkeeper is my own gallery. Gallery Artkeeper will be organizing this exhibition, and yeah, parameter क्या है? Come. I have to look at your work, and then only I will decide whether I want to exhibit or not. So your work will speak for it. So it's main thing is your work, and if it speaks for the things, it will be there, hang on this wall. So this wall will be dedicated for all artists who are doing dedicated works. So guys, I have to take a break now. I have shown you all the works. ये है complete exhibition. We'll take it back and show the one. I can have a lot of other works over here. I can, but right now I'm not doing that. So I'm taking a break. So stay good. And please subscribe and share Artkeeper. Stay with Artkeeper. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Thanks for watching Artkeeper. Stay with Artkeeper. Please subscribe and share with the friends and family. Support artists and art. Thank you so much.